Could it be a holiday miracle in the making? Matt Lauer was spotted Saturday with estranged wife Annette Roque and the couple's 14-year-old daughter Romy, Online reported. The family, minus 2 other children, was seen together at a horse farm in Sag Harbor, N. Y.com on the eastern end of Long Island, the report said. Just 3 days earlier, Roque was seen leaving the offices of a New York City law firm, amid reports that she plans to divorce Lauer following his dismissal from NBC in November over allegations of sexual misconduct. The accusations included reports that Lauer had affairs with NBC interns and even kept sex toys in his office. Lauer issued an apology soon after Lauer's firing. The couple's neighbors said Roque had become known as a sad wife in their Long Island town, where she was reportedly rarely seen with Lauer. But the former Today co-anchor was said to be living with his family since his firing. Lauer and Roque met in 1997 and married in 1998. Their first child, Jack, was born in 2001, followed by Romy in 2004 and Thijs in 2006. Roque previously filed for divorce while pregnant with Thijs, but the couple later reconciled.